here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with Baby. Let me pull her into the shot. See if she likes. I have the other half of the unboxing here. I got 3 in 1, and I did the 1, and now I'm gonna do the 2 that came together in a box. I decided to break it up because I don't like my videos to be that long. Yeah, Baby's being a very sweet girl, but she wants me just to let go of her and let her go lay down on the pillow. So, okay, I'm going to let her go. See what she wants to do. Oh, she's going to stay. How sweet. So this has these like little thin pieces of plastic around it. So far, everything from the store has really been nice. I'll put all the links up in the description. I know everybody likes to see these before they order them for themselves. Okay, this is a 35 by 35. If you remember, if you want to look at the video, I did 3 little kittens. I bought 3 of them that were 30 by 30 of kittens in teacups, and one was a little ladybug kitten. She has little antennas on, a little ladybug teacup. Well, there was another ladybug kitten, here she is, that was a little different. So I love ladybugs so much, so I decided to get her in a slightly bigger size. This is a 35 by 35 full drill round, and she's just so cute. There's more kittens that someday I want to get them. Haha. That's funny because if you know me at all, you know I want them all. They all need to be mine. Maybe I should open a store. That way I could buy them all day long. So, there she is. That's the bottom of the teacup. Let's see, I'll put the picture up for you. Oh, she's so cute. And there's like a big old daisy behind her. Such a fan of flowers. She is. The symbols are very clear. They've got that little circle behind them. Even the dark ones are good. And I see, you know, when I have my light pad on them, they'll be fine. There's some really great shading in here, which tells me it was a very high resolution picture. That's lovely. I think she's beautiful. And colors are, you know, and these ones, the red and the black are supposed to really pop. So the other colors are just like standard kitten colors, little calico it looks like. But then you've got these bright reds and rich, like ruby colors. Okay, and the other one goes with my iris collection. It's another iris in different colors. This one is kind of a mix, it looks like, of blue and lavender. Put the picture up for you. Paper's cut. That makes it very helpful, especially when there's just 2 pieces and they have a nice overlap, so I'm not struggling to get the paper back down exactly how it came up. Oh, this is nice. These 3 from this same company. All the links will be in the description. I will do the inventory on the drills, which is always a pain in the neck. I sit in my couch and I inventory drills as my husband snores softly. I will let you know how those turned out. Excellent, really nice. I highly suggest this store. The kits are all nice with the tweezers and the bags and the extra long pen. A really good white boat. Very nice. This is the drills for the Iris. I don't know if I said it, 40 by 50 full drill round. Really pretty. It'll go well with my other two Iris pictures so that you could have like a trio of them. It has a butterfly on it too, a little blue butterfly. Very pretty. And no 310. That's, I always look at that. Like there's no black at all. That's awesome. And there's a lot of dark colors in here, but it's funny, the picture doesn't look dark at all. That'll be fun. So thank you so much for joining me. And if you like my videos, take a second and hit like. Subscribe so that you find out when my new ones come out. I've got contests that I do now and then, so if you subscribe, you'll get notified about the contests right away. Contact me if you have any questions about anything. Come join the Facebook group. We're having fun over there. Everyone's sharing their pictures and people are answering questions. There's a lot of new diamond painters in the group. So if you're new and you want to see what people do or ask questions, you can get some tips and tricks. Everybody, I think, is basically new. The longest I've heard anybody say they've been diamond painting is 2 years. And that's nothing compared to like cross stitch and needlepoint. That's such an established needlecraft. And this is really new, so it's fun and it's exciting, and most people who try it are hooked right away. And yeah, you have a great day and happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.